Meaning of extremely.
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 Extremely. Extremely is an adverb used to describe the degree of something that is intense or profound. It signifies the highest level of intensity possible, indicating that something is beyond the typical or expected range of magnitude. When used to describe an action, object, or situation, extremely implies that it is intense, and often in a negative or positive way. For example, if someone says they are extremely tired, it means they are absolutely exhausted. Similarly, if someone is extremely happy, it implies they are overjoyed beyond measure.